Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on ZTE Blade V70 Max. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click set the default browser, or you can click not now and then click confirm. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.